Hi guys, it's Nathan with Dalton RV. Today I wanted to show you guys how to unwinterize your unit. If you buy a unit this time of year, it usually comes from the factory fully winterized with antifreeze pumped through all the lines. So when you buy one in the wintertime, you're going to have to unwinterize it to get ready to go camping. Step number one for this is finding your water heater. We're on the back side of the water heater here, and there are going to be two valves on the back side of this water heater that you need to turn 90 degrees. That will get water flowing back into your water heater and back out. Step number two, find the spot on your camper where you have low point drains. There's a sticker there. The drains are just underneath here. They're just two small little turn valves. You turn those 90 degrees as well. That will actually empty all the antifreeze that is in the lines completely out. So everything will drain here. Now once you do this, go ahead and leave it going for a little while. That stuff will all empty out. It might take 30-40 minutes or so. When you get done with that, you want to come over here to your water inlet and take your water hose. You do want to make sure you do have a water regulator on here first. But take your water hose, plug it in here with the regulator, and let the water run. Since your low point drains are open, it's going to flush your entire system out with all the antifreeze out. Once that has run for about 15 or 20 minutes to flush everything out, go back over here to the low point drains. Go ahead and turn those back closed. While you're doing that, leave your water pressure on with the water hose. Then you want to go inside to each faucet, turn the hot and the cold on each one, let those run for a few minutes to flush those lines out for the sink. Just make sure you go to the bathroom, and also don't forget to flush your toilet. Do that probably 4 or 5 times to clear everything out there. Once you're done with that, you are ready to go camping. We do have all the supplies available. If you do need anything to winterize or de-winterize here in our store, just give us a call, 706-529-3300. We will be glad to help you.